zombies?
What kind of idiot comes up with that?
Really fat!
Strawberry's my favorite! What the dick is going on with all this crazy stuff?
What the dick?
It's my new phrase I invented. Do you like it?
Go, die, zombie scum! Ready? Okay! Undead, we slay! You all suck and we are great! GG, decapitate! UGLY, wake up! It's time to die!
Taste my team's undead!
I regret those 3 Bukake videos.
Oh, we better get out of here.
Okay, that was sad killing my friends, but also so fun!
Girls in Kenya have big butts.
Oh my God! Easter egg! Oh.
I need another tampon.
Lame. Perfect!
Juliet, it's Cordelia. Just a tip, sis, but you're moving around too much as you hunt zombies. From a distance, use your homing attack. When they get close, rush in for the kill. It's kind of common hunter knowledge, but you know.
Chainsaw Dash! Nick, it would be really cool if I could implant an MP3 player in your forehead. A boyfriend and an iPod all in one. More room in my purse.
You realize that's completely degrading, right? Oh well.
What?
Feels great to have legs again, even if they are really slow.